This is an absolutely stunning knife. What a great gift for someone who loves to cook or gift to oneself. German steel, and I mean, we're talking sharp. This is a great all-purpose knife for heavy jobs in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to be doing some split chickens that I plan to sous vide, and this knife takes care of the job in no time, super easy, but it's also a great task knife for simple things. Crushing bacon, cutting vegetables, does everything quickly. It's well balanced, which is really important to me in a knife. It's got some substantial weight to it, but well balanced, super sharp, washes up easily. It is an extremely beneficial tool to have in the kitchen. So my tip for cutting up chicken and poultry when you need to season it is to take a brown paper bag and put it down on top of your cutting board. That way I can do all this cutting, which is really easy with this knife, and then just roll up the paper and throw it away when I'm through. That's my tip for the day. It makes it really easy, but this knife makes some of the jobs that would normally be really difficult super easy around the kitchen, and it's just a beautiful thing to look at, isn't it?